Starting here on the left, we have a couple of Simplex 4250-120 pull stations. This one here is completely trashed. The switch is missing out of it and the wire terminals are gone. It's completely trash and I don't even know why I still have it. This one here is a functioning one. Just pull down the handle and it activates. And to reset it, you have to open it and close it. No, we'll just leave it there. And then here we got 3 Simplex 4050 fire alarm horns. I had 4 of them, but one of them crapped out, and it was the one I was using in my system test video, so I just tossed it in the garbage. Right here, I got a Simplex 4051 fire alarm horn. It's a 24 volt, 1 amp DC one, and these are 24 volts AC. Alright, up here, this is actually a shop-made projector for any of these 4 horns right here, because my dad works at a metal shop, so he made this for me so I could put those on my horns. Right here, we're going to get into the system sensor family. We got my favorite system sensor alarm, the System Sensor Mass Sounder Strobe. I like the 800 hertz continuous tone, and this is the 12 volt DC version, and it could be 2 or 4 wire. And these horns over here are all 2 wire. Next, we got the SpectraAlert Advance family from System Sensor. These come in 2 and 4 wire models, and they are 12 or 24 volts DC. I like to use 24 volts DC as opposed to 12 volts because at 24 volts they seem louder. Now, you would think that they would put out horn strobes like this that have 2 different voltages so it would be more flexible. But the thing is if you use the lower 12 volt voltage on them, they aren't as loud, and you need limits to how you could set these. So I always use 24 volts DC. And we got this is a P2R, and the 4-wire version is a P4R, and the outdoor version of this, depending if it's 2 or 4 wire, 2-wire outdoor version of this would be a P2RK, and the 4-wire would be P4RK, and if they're white, the R changes to a W, so P2R, P4R, P2WK, and P4WK, and then P2W and P4W. And then these right here, this one right here is a PC2R, so if it was white it'd be PC2W, and if it was a 4-wire it would be PC4W, and if it was a 4-wire red one it would be PC4W, and then if it was outdoor it would, I think it would be, if it was an outdoor 2-wire one it would be PC2RK. And then I'm not going to try to say all the other versions of it. And we just have an SCR strobe only, SpectraAlert 12, 24 volts. It's pretty neat, and those are 2-wire only. Down here, we have a Gentex strobe only. I have no idea what the model number is. I actually got it at Goodwill. I got it at Goodwill for like a couple of dollars, and the sad thing is I couldn't figure out how to get the mounting bracket off it, so I ended up breaking it on accident trying to get the mounting bracket off it, so that's toast. Here we have some kind of an Edwards horn with a funky connection behind it. Looks kind of like an outlet even though it's 12 volts AC.